Man, I love Christmas. How about you? You love Christmas? You want to turn your yard into Wonderland like I did? Then you need to get you some DeckToks. We have permanent lights, we have pathway lights, we have mushroom lights, we have spotlights, we have string lights. We have it all, and right now DeckTok is offering up to a 60% off, but I can give you 10% more if you use my discount code in the link in the description below. 100% DeckTok. I've been reviewing them now for about a month or so, month and a half, and I've been putting them all up. These things right here, they're bright, they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous, just like Christmas time, gorgeous, 100%. The only thing I'm really missing is some snow. Just think, if I had a white powder snow right now on the roof and on the ground, how much more these would just go low. But guess what? These ain't just for Christmas. You can put these up, leave them up all year long, change it for how you want it. You just want some warm accent light, or maybe you're like me and you like that cool white and you want that cool white accent light. You can have it. You got a birthday coming up, you got birthday parties. You can set the mood for your birthday parties, Halloween, Thanksgiving, 4th of July, Valentine's, whatever holiday, whatever you want to do, you can do it with these. These aren't ones I'd like to go overboard, so I put up extra lights right here because I like to go overboard. I love Christmas. Christmas is just a wonderful, wonderful time of the year. Use my discount code. I get it's 10% off, but when you add it to something that is already up to 60% off, you get even more of a discount.